Hello drummers, welcome to Tim Connolly Drums. Thanks for being with me here today. We are going to focus on 16th note triplets as grooves today, and we're going to take a look at the 16th note triplet and we're going to break it down into sections so that we can utilize them as grooves. I'll have them written out so you can see them, and there shouldn't be too much difficulty. I would say this is a higher level beginner to low intermediate level in terms of what we're doing today, but of course drummers of all levels can use these. It's just obviously developing the feel, and of course increasing the tempo is the difficult parts, but like I said, anybody can use them. So let's get to those triplets. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is figure out exactly what 16th note triplets are. So basically they're just 8th note triplets doubled, the same way that 8th notes doubled are 16th notes. 8th note triplets doubled are 16th note triplets. 8th note triplets are counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. 16th note triplets traditionally are counted 1 tita and tita, 2 tita and tita, etc. But I came up with my own way to count them because it flows better. The way that I count them is 1 da and da. So let me demonstrate a playing a little bit, and then I can count with it as well. So 1 did da and did da, 2 did da and did da, 3 did da and did da, 4 did da and did da. A little bit faster. 2 did da and did da, 3 did da and did da, 4 did da and did da, 1 did da and did da, 2 did da and did da, 3 did da and did da, 4 did da and did da, 1. 1 did da and did da, 2 did da and did da, 3 did da and did da, 4 did da and did da, 1 did da and did da, 2 did da and did da, 3 did da and did da, 4 did da and did da. Let's put a bass drum to that. Okay, so 1 did the end of the flows, especially when you're playing fast. Like if I did something like 1 did the end of the, 2 did the end of the, 3 did the end of the, 4 did the end of the, 1 did the end of the, 2 did the end of the, 3 did the end of the, 4 did the end of the, 1. Now obviously you're going to be counting in the beginning. Once you get the feel of the 16th note triplet, then you don't have to worry about the counting anymore. Okay? All right, so I'm just going to play a little bit of 16th note triplets, and then we're going to get to the breakdown of the lesson. All right. All right, so that was 16th notes as a whole, one-da-da and da-da. Sometimes what happens is the downbeat, the 1, 2, 3, and 4, or the upbeat, all the ands of 1, 2, 3, and 4, we skip that beat and we don't skip it entirely. We skip it in the sense that we're not playing it in the same spot in its entirety. So the downbeat could be on the hi-hat, for example, or the upbeat on the hi-hat, and the rest of the 16th note triplet on the snare drum. So these grooves that I'm going to demonstrate, I've got 5 here that I'm going to demonstrate. This demonstrates this feel exactly. I have them all written out, so have fun playing along with them. Let's get to it. See ya. Okay, so let's just take these a little bit and we're going to break them down a little bit so that you understand what's going on. Basically what's happening is you've got this separation of the 16th note triplets. Downbeats on the hat, the other 2 beats are on the snare. So it's and then upbeat on the hat, other 2 beats on the snare. One did da and did da, 2 did da and did da, 3 did da and did da, 4 did da and did da, 1 did da and did da. Okay? Then the other way to play it is where so that was starting with the downbeat. Now we're going to start with the upbeat, and you might do something like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and it a 3, and 4, and it a, and it a, and it a, and it a. So one's got a in the middle kind of a feel, like where the triplet lies in between the 2 bass drums, so it's got that in the middle feel. Then we got a pushing feel that pushes into the next beat, which in this case is beat 3 and beat 1. Two, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you combine them. Those are 16th note triplets, whole 16th note triplets, and somewhat orchestrated 16th note triplets, or broken up 16th note triplets, if you want to call it that. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. check out my other videos. And I have a big announcement coming up soon. There's going to be a video regarding that big announcement, and it'll be coming soon. I got lots of new material coming up. So once again, thank you very much. I also want to thank my new subscribers, and you know who you are. Those of you that have subscribed to me in the last few weeks, much appreciated. I appreciate that everyone that watches my material, and I try to do what I can to come up with some interesting ideas. I've been getting some messages about video ideas, so please comment and let me know what you would be interested in seeing. So keep drumming. Take care. See ya.